Oh, there we go. Okay. No.
He's 16 weeks old today. You gonna talk, buddy? Are you having fun? Are you happy to be on your mat? Get that monkey. Stare him down. Tell him who's king of the crib. Tell him who's the king. Tell him who's the king.
He's like, but I am.
Eat him! Eat him!
Eat him!
Got that monkey.
When did most babies first talk?
I don't know. Stare him down.
Man.
Give him the stink eye.
Oh! He was staring at him.
I know.
Benjamin! Do you want the giraffe, Benjamin?
Look at that cute little chunky face.
I don't think you've played with the giraffe that much.